You have been doing dua recently, but you feel something ain't right. You just heard of dua and you kinda have applied it to your daily life and you hope that Allah will give you what you want. But nothing is really happening. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. I will go through the steps to make a good and proper dua. First of all, dua is like a call-out or a wish you're making to Allah for Him to help you or fulfill hopes, needs, or desires. You could be making dua for an exam, for success, for forgiveness, for Jannah, for a friend or a family member who's struggling. Basically something in this dunya or the hereafter. The Quran states, "Your Lord says, 'Call on me, and I will answer you.'" Chapter 40, verse 60. Step 1. Before making your dua. Choose a time in which dua is more often accepted. Dua can be performed at any time, but here are some situations and times where your dua has a bigger chance of being accepted by your Lord. The last third of the night. The time just before Fajr is considered one of the most promising times for dua. During rainfall, it is reported that rain is a sign of Allah's mercy, and making dua during rainfall is a time of acceptance. Make your heart present and completely focus on Allah. Remove all distractions like phone devices, and I prefer being alone. Engage in a state of mindfulness and spiritual awareness, directing all your attention, thoughts, and emotions toward the remembrance of Allah. Now that you know when to perform dua and you are focused, you can perform wudu and face the Kaaba. Step 2. The process of making dua. Raise your hands, humble yourself, and submit to Allah. Start by praising Allah. You can do that by reciting Surah Al-Fatiha or saying Subhanallah wa bihamdihi subhanallahil adhim. Send salawat upon the Prophet. Now make your dua. Ask with love and fear, and ask Allah through His oneness and names. When you have finished your dua, you need to once again send salawat to the Prophet, and after that praise Allah in that order. That's it. May Allah grant you blessings and accept all of your duas, and inshallah, I'll see you next time. طويل الشوق يبقى قافلا